A Buffalo showdown in state court over a controversial Florida law. Back in July, Governor Ron DeSantis signed SB 264 into law. It prohibited the transaction of property to Chinese immigrants without citizenship or permanent residency, as well as those considered domiciles in mainland China. Defended in federal court in August, the American Civil Liberties Union sought to appeal the ruling of Shen v. Simpson. I was able to speak to them following the Friday's hearing in the 11th Circuit Court in downtown Miami.
Stop the property ban! Stop the property ban! Stop the blame! Stop the blame!
DeSantis cited national security concerns against the Chinese Communist Party as his reasoning for its passing. Patrick Toomey and Ashley Gorski of the ACLU's National Security Project argued that it is a discriminatory law in blatant violation of the Equal Protection Clause in the Constitution and the Fair Housing Act.
This law legitimizes and expands housing discrimination in Florida. It is blatantly unconstitutional, and it discriminates against people based on where they're from and the fact that they are immigrants in this country.
Many Asian advocacy organizations rallied outside of the courthouse following the hearing. They claimed that SB 264 resembled 20th century anti-Asian laws, and just like Shanti Elise Prasad, all agreed that we can't go back.
We've had these laws before, and with the Chinese Exclusion Act, with anti-alien land bans that have gone to court, that have been defeated, that have been deemed morally reprehensible, and we can't go back.
Alien land law bills that mirror SB 264 have been propped up across the country in other states such as Georgia and Texas. Texas congressional representative and Chinese immigrant Jean Wu believes that these types of legislation undermine the true values of people with stories like his.
And what we're saying is, look, Asian Americans are not the Chinese Communist Party. Those are very different things. In fact, like my family, we fled here. We fled from the Chinese Communist Party to be Americans. To call us agents of China is not only just wrong, but it's racist and insulting.
Advocacy across the country to halt these alien land laws will not stop now, as the ACLU and Asian American community in South Florida await a positive result from Friday's appellate hearing.